Fishing on Friday. Yeah, we're in Georgia now. We're gonna throw this guy right out the gate. We're gonna take these Florida skills and put them up against them Georgia fish. Let me show you where we're at. It's gorgeous lakeside. My honey bunny, she's gonna watch me get some fish, aren't you, baby? Yep. She's not gonna do the thing. I'll do the thing. Yep.
Yeah, I mean, that's okay.
Well, we tried. Georgia fish 1. This guy 0. We'll try again later, though. Right, baby?
I want you to catch a fish.
Yeah, she wants me to catch a fish. Yep.